Caramel coconut bars are a delightful treat. Imagine a chewy coconut base. Then there's a layer of gooey caramel. Finally, a rich chocolate topping completes this delicious dessert. These bars are easy to make. With this recipe, you'll be able to impress your friends and family. The combination of flavors and textures is simply irresistible. The buttery shortbread crust provides a lovely base. Sweet and chewy coconut fills every bite. Then the smooth caramel adds a touch of decadence. Finally, the chocolate brings everything together. Are you ready to start baking? Let's gather our ingredients and begin our delicious journey. Before we begin, let's gather all the necessary ingredients for the crust and coconut layer. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, ½ cup granulated sugar *, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup or 2 sticks unsalted butter, melted and slightly cooled, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 14 ounces sweetened shredded coconut. For the caramel layer, 1 cup packed light brown sugar, ½ cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup unsalted butter *, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the chocolate topping, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Make sure you have everything before you begin. This will make the baking process smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preparing the crust and coconut layer. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal later. 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, and salt. 3. Pour in the melted butter and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. 4. Stir in the shredded coconut until it's evenly distributed throughout the dough. Step 2. Baking the crust. 1. Press the coconut mixture into the prepared baking pan, creating an even layer. 2. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Step 3. Creating the caramel layer. 1. While the crust is baking, prepare the caramel. In a medium saucepan, combine the brown sugar, heavy cream, butter, and salt. 2. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture comes to a boil. 3. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Remove from heat and set aside. Step 4. Assembling the bars. 1. Once the crust is baked, pour the hot caramel evenly over it. 2. Bake for another 10 to 12 minutes. Step 5. Adding the chocolate topping. 1. Remove the pan from the oven and sprinkle the chocolate chips evenly over the hot caramel. 2. Let it stand for a few minutes to allow the chocolate to melt. 3. Spread the melted chocolate evenly over the caramel layer. Step 6. Cooling and cutting. 1. Let the bars cool completely in the pan before cutting them. You can speed up the cooling process by refrigerating them for about an hour. 2. Once cooled, use a sharp knife to cut the bars into desired shapes and sizes. Section 5. Conclusion. Savoring the sweet reward. Congratulations! You've successfully made your own batch of heavenly caramel coconut bars. These bars are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy them as a sweet treat with a cup of coffee or tea. They also make a delightful dessert for potlucks or parties. Store your leftover bars in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can even freeze them for longer storage. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, these caramel coconut bars are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth.